So good morning, students. So today we are starting with the first module in the subject energy and environment. This is the open elective, common for both civil and computer science engineering. So here the topic is the basic introduction to energy. Topic is basic introduction to energy. So what is energy? Now that girl gave some sweet, puja sweet, hai? So you gave some sweet. So I had prasad. So I told her, abhi mujhe energy mil gaya. Very good. Energy is the capacity to do work. So now I am teaching it. I am teaching you energy and environment. So we should know energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Very good. How it is measured? What are the units? Joules. Right, you are right. You are right, definitely you are right. Joule. Watt. They are all great scientists. Huh? Joule and Watt, Newton, they are all great scientists. Very good. Can you tell me what is Newton, Joule and Watt? Anybody? Then please answer. Because you are all wise people, I know. You are having mobile phones with internet connections paid by your father. What is a Newton? What is Newton? Newton is a force. Very good. बड़ा होशियार लड़का है, होनहार है. Newton is basically the force. Okay. Now, what is Joule? You told Joule, right? And you said Watt. Earlier days, just if you go back, earlier days you should say, मेरा मोटरसाइकिल 10 horsepower का है, car 50 horsepower का है. We used to tell, na? So what is one horsepower? What is? Huh? Power of horse. There, see, if I consider you all as horses, so every horse has got different power. Correct again? Whatever power you think of. So how are you going to measure it? Anybody? What is horsepower? 1 horse. Huh? RPM. RPM is rotation, revolution per minute. RPM, revolution per minute. RPM. Okay. Horsepower is simple. See, man, my subject is not very high tech or rocket science. Very simple subject. Earlier days, man used to take these animals to carry material from one place to another place. Correct? Mankind. For transportation. So, it is actually in foot pound, British system, foot pound. I am converting. It is 75 kgs of weight. 75 kgs of weight. If it is moved a distance by 1 meter, in 1 second, thank you, then it is called as 1 horsepower. Got it? Very simple. 75 kg means normal weight 75 kg. You are all underweight. Okay. So 75 kg weight, one man moves by 1 meter in 1 second. That is the rate of doing work. The rate of per second. Per second means with respect to time. So this is 1 horsepower. Got it? These are old. Nowadays we don't use horsepower. We use only watts. Like this boy said. Now it is watts. So watt is, what is watt? What is watt? Watt is 1 joule per second. What is 1 joule per second is watt. Right? And what is 1 joule? 1 joule is 1 Newton moved by 1 meter. Joule is the force of 1 meter, Newton, when it is moving by 1 meter. Suppose this is like you say Newton. Newton is almost 0.1 kgs roughly. Okay? 9.8 newtons is equal to 1 kg. Na? So this is moved, 1 Newton is moved by 1 meter distance, then it is 1 joule. If it is moved in 1 second, then it is 1 joule per second, and 1 joule per second will become 1 watt. Got it? Right? So this is just introduction, and that watt you further know. There is no watt and a very small unit. So we use like in electricity or power we use kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt, now terawatt. Like you use MB, GB, TB, same thing. 1000 kilowatt is equal to 1. 1000 MB is equal to 1 GB. 1000 GB is equal to 1 TB. है ना? Simple like that. Same units here also. Now, you understood what is horsepower. You are not writing, means you are all very wiser than the teacher himself, and there is no need to write because everything goes and gets imprinted. Is it the case? Okay. Now, so as my good friend has said, energy is the capacity to do work. I think right from childhood we are learning this. This word is very popular, but I am happy he remembers. Most of you have forgotten. He still remembers. What work we are doing? Energy is the capacity to do work. What work you are doing? You are doing physical work. Which work you are doing? Tell me, at home or here. What work you are doing? Walking is work. What work you are doing? See, I am surprised to hear from you actually. What work you are doing? हाँ बाबा क्या कर रहा है? कुछ कर रहा है क्या नहीं? क्या वजन बढ़ा रहा है? You understand me? You when I speak, do you get me? हाँ. तुम्हारा reaction बहुत late होता है इसलिए पूछता हूँ. There is a time delay in response. See, earlier, for example, we go to the market to buy some things. Correct? So I am traveling from one place. Yesterday I went from here to Karwar to buy some item. Correct? Force into displacement. Exactly. Force into displacement. Very nicely said. I wrote force is Newton and displacement is 1 meter. Correct? Force into displacement. Newton into meter. That is Joule I said. Correct? I have to go to Karwar to buy some vegetables, some this. So I travel. ठीक है, maybe walk, buy motorcycle, anything, right? So this is work. I am going there now to get something. Not that simply after eating I am walking just to reduce my this. That is not work. Exactly, correct? One thing. Then in earlier days, that pounding of grains was done manually. There is one asana. I do yoga also. What is that called? Chakki pisan asana. ऐसा you sit and do that. You see, you are young, so you are laughing. I was also laughing when I was of your age. But now I realized after losing so many hairs कि बाबा ये this is good, ठीक है? People are revisiting all these things. You can Google it out. ऐसा नहीं, whatever I am saying. This was work. Otherwise, what now you do? You put in mixie or you got a grinder. And the flour mill is there, you go on 5 kg, 10 kg, he will. Correct? That is also work. Means you are converting one solid thing into powder, pulverizing. That is called pulverizing, powder form. Right? This is work. Then ये वाटर अर्लियर डेज कुआं में से ऐसा निकालते थे पानी, निकालते थे नहीं? अभी निकालते क्या? अभी गोवा में निकालते हैं लोग, थोड़े बहुत लोगों के पास कुआं है. Here still that is also one work कि हम पानी it is at some depth, so I am pulling it out. But nowadays pump है. That is doing work. You understand? Whether it is traveling, commuting, and now I am preparing some food. ठीक है, so I put on a stove, I cook. Heat is required. Heat energy automatically तो नहीं होगा ना. So heat energy required for cooking. You are getting. These are all like we require energy for traveling, for grinding, for this. Correct? But now you are all advanced people now. For your laptop you require charging. For your mobile you require charging. These are high level. Because of the higher standard of living, people require lot of electricity. Earlier it was the case. Even today, around 0.1% of the villages or the population itself, they don't have access to electricity. If you go to Goa, some interiors, deep interiors in the jungle and here also, people don't have electricity there. That grid only is not connected. Okay. Now you understood. So what is horsepower? What is watt? What is kilowatt? Joule? You understood now? Okay. Now, so then what is power? Power is, you tell me, you only know this. What is power? A very powerful person, Mama. My bike is having so much power. Force into accelerations, F into A. Power is the rate of doing work. Is the rate of doing work. Suppose now my bike is only 100 cc bike, but suppose this guy has got Pulsar 150, 200 cc. So it has got more power. So more power means it will consume more fuel. It will consume more fuel and it will produce more power. Right? Fuel तो required है, but इसका power ज़्यादा है. That is why all the young boys, they are very fond of, what boys, girls also I say, in Goa, they ride all huge bikes, not this ordinary Lallu Panju bikes. They have got 1,000 cc. I see that. I was shocked when I saw them. And they have got a big racetrack, I think here in Madgaon, Varna industrial area, backside. You have seen that? Anybody? Varna, I had been there. Huge stretch where you can, like this, uphill, downhill, all. You can see your skills, guts kitna hai chalane ka. That racetrack they have got. So they are fond of like racing. Good. So you understood what is power, what is so watt, joule per second. This is power. But joule is work, energy. Got it? Now energy, we have got two types of sources. Energy, we have got two sources. One is primary source, another is secondary source. Primary source means, suppose wood is available, or this, now they cut the agriculture, they cut, I can burn it directly. Okay? Wood is available, I will burn directly. So I will get heat. So this is primary source. Coal, similarly coal is available. We will burn coal, produce heat, right? So this is like all primary source which are naturally available and we use it in that same form. But electricity, what you are using, is it naturally available? No. Petrol, is it naturally available? No. Crude oil is available. We need to do that fractional distillation to get petrol or diesel and whatever distillates are there. But it is not naturally available. Even hydrogen, how many of you know hydrogen? Have you heard of hydrogen? Very good. I think that is the fuel of the future. I am giving one talk on hydrogen to Goa Engineering College on December 6th. I have got two talks. Okay, online. So that is a fuel, promising fuel. Even our Honorable Prime Minister during the Independence Day speech, he made a very big talk on hydrogen. As you see petrol bunks today, another 10 years, when you grow up of my age and lose all the hairs and this, then you will find a lot of hydrogen bunks. Okay? Got it? So primary energy is like coal, oil, natural gas, wood, ठीक है, sun. These are all. And what is secondary? They are derived by the transformation of primary and something like petrol, electricity, etc. Got it? Now we will come to some terminology. Actually, what is this energy scenario in India and globally what is the energy scenario? We should know. As a qualified engineer, you need to know what is the energy scenario in India as well as in the world. So can you tell me what is your take on that? What do you know? What is the energy scenario? Your subject is energy and environment, and it is an elective. You have opted for that, correct? So what do you know? So let me again start with some statistics about India first. We will see global scenario later. First we will see India. So you tell me whether India is an energy independent country. How many say yes? Raise hands. No. Sit down. Keep your hands down. You please listen to PM speech. You want me to play that speech? Modi Saab's speech today here. India is not a country which is energy. India is a energy independent nation. 80% of its oil, crude and all, it is imported. That is why India is aggressively going towards electrification of its mobility as well as now planning for hydrogen. We spend almost 3,000 crores per day. Kitna? 3 to 4,000 crores of rupees per day just for fueling your bikes and cars. It is a huge amount. You cannot understand because you are chota bachas. You don't understand the economics of the country. Okay? That is why they have aggressively planning for electrification as well as now hydrogen economy. 80% of this petrol, diesel, whatever you use is imported. Right? And these are finite sources of energy. The earth has got some diameter of some less than 13,000 kilometers, and in that you have that pockets of oil, coal. Once it is exploited, story khatam. So next story we started hydrogen, uranium, nuclear also is there. I think you have seen the power plant, no? Nuclear power plant. You visited this plant? You have visited? Good. What is the population of this country? What is the population, boss?
128 crores.
Said very good, 128 crores. What is the population of the world? 7.5 billion. Okay, very good. Okay, there is no as we speak, the population is why? Because birth rate is high, death rate is low. Okay. Now, what about the standard of living? Whether it is increasing, decreasing now? Increasing. Everybody wants good food, McDonald's, pizza, and all. Ironing of clothes, they want vehicle, personal transport. They want personal transport. Now I speak this way only. I think you heard me earlier also. So mobility, earlier it was not the case. People used to go stand in the bus stand half wait in the sun, and then the bus will come, everybody gets in. But today, where is the patience? Everybody wants his own. Boom. Right. Yeah. See, one thing I will tell you, when I'll be going through the statistics, statistics is only numbers. But they give a lot of inference, a lot of information ki chal kya raha. Data analytics. Now the new topic is data analytics. I think for CS, not only for CS, for you also. You, as an engineer, you need to know how to interpret the data. What inference you can draw from the data. Right? So, if I ask you as a person, India, you are a one person, how much electricity you use in a day or in a year? Can you tell me? How much electricity you use? No idea. India, almost our per capita consumption is around 200 units. Kitna? I am talking about electricity now. 1200 units of electricity per year. It is almost like 4 units, 3 to 4 units per day. Almost 3 to 4 units per day. But I am there, I will reduce because I have put off the fans. Correct? Right? I have opened this lower ventilator sheet. Nobody had opened. I only personally opened that. Now, हवा आता जाता है. ठीक है? So around 1200, so you got it, 365 days in a year, so almost 3 to 4 units you are using. But you just, anybody has got friends or relatives staying in Canada, US and all? Or no? वहाँ पे क्या, what are the conditions there? The conditions are like extreme there. You get sub-zero, ice formation शुरू हो जाता है, correct? Temperature high भी हो जाता है. So, and there the people are not like us. They want full comforts. Even their toilets are having AC. Central AC है, district heating. They call it district heating. क्या होता है उसको? District. I think that word is not common in India. District heating. तो जब बहुत ठंडा रहता है ना, क्या? In sub-zero. Because I was in Srinagar when I was kid. So the conditions, water will freeze in the pipelines. Water gets frozen in the pipelines. Then you have got an open place now where आग लगा के गर्म नहीं तो they are not conditions where a man can survive without proper clothing, proper heating arrangement. So there they use all this. It can be electrical fired, it can be gas fired. So that heat will, district heating means घर में नहीं, सब एक ही जगह करके घर को सप्लाई करते हैं. जैसा हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई करते हैं ना, अभी हर घर में जनरेट कर रहे हैं क्या? नहीं कर रहे हैं हम लोग. एक जगह जनरेट कर रहे हैं, उसको सप्लाई कर रहे हैं बहुत जगह. करेक्ट? सिमिलरली as good as that. So there the lot of requirement of energy for heating the homes, okay. Now, and that is why you can see India's per capita is somewhere around 1200 I told, whereas the same for Japan is 8000 units per person per year. US is 13,000, 10 times more. इंडिया का 1200 है तो वो 12,000, 13,000 है, 11 टाइम मोर. देन कनाडा इज 15 टाइम्स मोर, 15,000 units. You understood why I am giving this figure? Because most of the places where I read about this per capita consumption, they simply say US is very high. Why it is high? Because they get very low temperatures. No, they encounter very low temperatures. So that is why to survive they have got the district heating and even their cars. See here India, our Maruti, east or west, Maruti is best. Why? Because small car, हम दो हमारे दो, चलो 20 किलोमीटर 25 किलोमीटर देती है. करेक्ट है ना? Whereas there it is not the case. There you have big cars. Huh? SUV, correct. Now the new trend is SUV, sports utility vehicles. People want that thrill, people want that power, you know. They want to show off कि I can go fast. ये culture है. वहाँ पे ज़्यादा है. People have very big vehicles, not like our tiny hatchbacks, what we have here. Okay. So there also the we call it like how much like you say ना kilometers per liter, gallons, miles per gallon. एक gallon में कितना mile देता है? They have got that imperial British units. फुट पाउंड्स यू से ना दैट काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम. तो वहाँ बड़े बड़े कार हैं, बड़े बड़े घर है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट हीटिंग है, तो उनका एनर्जी कंजम्पशन ज़्यादा है. समझ है ना? वेरी सिंपल. बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, नॉट फ्रॉम एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बट फ्रॉम अंडरस्टैंडिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. बिकॉज यू शुड नॉट से दैट US फॉर कैनेडा 15,000 यूनिट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पर पर्सन पर ईयर, व्हाट द बगर इज डूइंग. ऐसा नहीं बॉस, उसका घर पूरा AC है, गर्म करता है, ठंडी में गर्म कर रहे हैं, गर्मी में ठंडा कर रहे हैं उसको. तो वो एनर्जी हमारा क्या है? हम तो साला हवा भी नहीं चालू किया तुम्हारे लिए, हवा भी बंद किया हमने. लाइट तो है ही नहीं, ऊपर का नेचुरल डे लाइट इज देयर. करेक्ट. सो आवर एक्सपेंसेस आर लो बिकॉज द वेदर एंड द क्लाइमेट आर वेरी गुड. यू नो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट? एनीबडी? Whether one is short time, छोटे के लिए, एक वन इज लॉन्ग टर्म. ओके, सो आई जस्ट टोल्ड अबाउट पर कैपिटा कंजम्पशन. यू अंडरस्टूड नाउ? एंड इंडिया ऐसे भी गरीब लोग हैं, क्या है हमारे पास, एसी तो किसके पास है ही नहीं, बहुत कम लोगों के पास. ऐसा कोस्टल रीजन में एसी है, बाकी जगह तो एसी नहीं है. तो पंखा भी नहीं रहता यार किसी के पास. तो ठीक है ना, यू आर ऑल प्रिविलेज्ड, योर पेरेंट्स हैव स्ट्रगल्ड एंड दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ टू यू. बट तुम्हारे डैडी का देखो, घर में फैन भी नहीं रहेगा उसके पास. करेक्ट है कि नहीं? दैट इज हाउ यू अप्रिशिएट कि इंडियाज पर कैपिटा कंजम्पशन इज लो, वेर एज द ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड पर कैपिटा, ग्लोबल दुनिया में अगर तो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 3000 किलोवाट्स. कितना? वर्ल्ड एवरेज इज 3000. हमारा इंडिया का कम है, आधे से भी कम है. करेक्ट? एंड सऊदी अरेबिया में भी ये है कितना, 10,000. एनीबडी नोज अबाउट सऊदी अरेबिया, गल्फ? लॉट ऑफ गर्मी है उधर भी. Even there are tunnels, tunnel अंदरला, one place in the one place होगा, that is air conditioned. You cannot go walk like that. So controlled conditions में, right? अच्छा, this is okay now. You understood about per capita conditions for India, for Saudi, Japan, Canada, US, global average, right? Now, electricity generation in India, very good. Tell me how it is generated. Now let us see, electricity generation is happening. Now for a population of 130 crores, the last year our production was around 1400 trillion watt hours. कितना? 1400 trillion watt hours. I am talking about 2020 का. This year we'll see, right? Now, see, there is one word called as installed capacity. क्या? Installed capacity. Anybody knows what is installed capacity? Suppose, for example, I put one solar photovoltaic model here. एक फोटोवोल्टाइक मॉडल डाल दिया मैंने, एक से दे हैव पुट इन GIT, हरियाणा एंड ऑल, दे हैव पुट से एक 100 किलोवाट का डाला मैंने. आई हैव पुट ए सोलर फोटोवोल्टाइक सिस्टम ऑन द रूफ टॉप से 100 किलोवाट. ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर 1 घंटा चलेगा देन इट बिकम्स 100 किलोवाट आवर, मीन्स दैट इज 100 यूनिट्स. इट विल जनरेट 100 यूनिट्स per hour. Now, these are all I am telling you so that you appreciate that subject. Otherwise, if I read out the statistics, you understand nothing out of it. So, what you feel? This 100 units, it will be developing all the 24 hours a day, 365 days a year? No. It may hardly generate 100 units for 5 to 6 hours a day. Correct? It will generate. So my installed capacity is 100. So what you will think? 100 units per hour. 100 units per hour means in 1 year there are 8760 hours in 1 year. So तुम क्या बोलोगे? इतना हो गया, इतना यूनिट होना चाहिए. Correct? If it is generating 24/7 into 365, then this should be the number of units this generates. Does it generate? No. How much it generates is 100 units per hour, say for 5 hours or 6 hours a day, because we have got a lot of sunshine, so you can take 6 hours. And how many days in a year? It will develop all 365 days. 6 months or 200 days we will say, because बारिश आएगा ना, बारिश में धूप नहीं रहेगा. So let us say 200 days. So how much it becomes? 200 into this is 600 into 2, 6 2 12 है ना, 1 2 3 4. It is 1 lakh units only. It is generating It is generating only 1.2 lakh units, whereas if it is working 24/7 into 365, it should develop some 8,76,000 units. Just I gave this information, you will appreciate कि बात कर क्या रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है? You got it? So this, if you take a percentage, this divided by this, 120 divided by 876, how much it is? 120 divided by 876, please make that. So this is the capacity utilization uska. How much you are getting? Into 100 you can make. 120 divided by 876 into 100. हाँ परसेंटेज में यार, परसेंटेज में हाँ 13.69 is around 14%. Let us say about 14%. The capacity utilization. This is a word. Capacity utilization. See, because you fellows have no idea about capacity utilization. When you join a job, then you'll understand what is utilization factor. Okay, in industry they have got lot of equipment, so equipment has to be used ना. So मैं 14%, 14-15% is the capacity utilization. उतना ही, ज़्यादा नहीं है, right? One thing. Now coming to the installed capacity, I just gave one example of solar 100 kilowatt का plant in my place. Now I am talking about the country. I will go to the country. In the country. Now today India में as on 2021 we have got almost 3,88,134 megawatt. This is the installed capacity. The electrical energy electrical energy बनाने का हमारा जो installed capacity है 3,88,000 gigawatt. Now we all speak in gigawatt. इतना है installed capacity. इसका मतलब उसका यूटिलाइजेशन इतना ही रहेगा, 15-20%, उतना ही, ज़्यादा नहीं. उसमें सब कुछ है. क्या क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैसा जनरेट करते हैं इंडिया में? टेल मी. वेरी गुड. हु टोल्ड कोल? हु टोल्ड कोल? यू आर फ्रॉम गोवा? हाँ, आई सॉ यस्टरडे इन गोवा. कोल का कुछ बोर्ड लगाया उधर, है ना? वेरी गुड. कोल. न्यूक्लियर का लास्ट में है बॉस. न्यूक्लियर सिर्फ वो हाँ, broiler is chicken. What you eat? You are talking about that? Coal is used in boiler. That is secondary. Okay, next. Gas. Gas is very less in India. Gas is there very less. Solar very good. Wind very good. यही ना यार. फ्यूल तो क्या है? फ्यूल 3 है. एक सॉलिड फ्यूल, दैट इज कोल. लिक्विड फ्यूल, देन थर्ड इज गैसियस फ्यूल. ठीक है ना? लिक्विड में तुम्हारा क्रूड और क्या होता है, पेट्रोल, डीजल. एक फर्नेस ऑयल करके आता है. व्हेन आई वाज इन बेलगाम टीचिंग इन बेलगाम, आई यूज्ड टू टेक माय स्टूडेंट्स टू टाटा पावर प्लांट देयर एवरी ईयर. टाटा दे हैव गॉट अ ह्यूज, ये बिल्डिंग है ना, इतना बड़ा, ये बिल्डिंग था, इतना बड़ा प्लांट था उसका. दैट इज डीजी सेट दे कॉल. 20,000 हॉर्स पावर का 5 इंजन था उसके पास. दे बेच दिया. थिंक इज गॉन आउट टू गल्फ. बिकॉज इंडिया में हम उतना पैसा डाल के नहीं चला सकते ना. हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का पैसा इधर से सपोज 7-8 रुपीज़ देते हैं एवरेज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पर यूनिट. उसका 20 रुपये आता है. तो हु विल बाय? नोबडी विल बाय. दैट इज दे सोल्ड आउट. सो यू हैव गॉट कोल, गैस, सोलार, विंड, न्यूक्लियर. और ये कदरा कहेगा, ये कदरा सूपा क्या है? हाँ, शो के लिए लगाया क्या? हाँ, गार्डन बना के रखे वहाँ पे. हाइड्रो. आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज यू टॉक समथिंग हियर, बट इन ब्लू बुक्स यू राइट वेरी नाइसली. क्या देख देख के लिख रहे हैं क्या? सो यू गॉट हाइड्रो. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड वेरी सीरियसली, आई एम टेलिंग कि इंडिया में अभी भी 70% जो 70% ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेटेड, 60-70 इज थ्रू कोल, इज थ्रू. तुम लोग ये इलेक्ट्रिक बस ऐसा बोल रहे हो, ये सब फैंसी है. Because that electricity, whatever it is going into this charging your battery comes through coal only. Not only India, I'll go beyond. Globally, today, as we speak, 60 to 60, more than 60, slightly more than 60. That share is through coal only. When I was like you, my college, they took us to Raichur thermal power plant. You go to that place, you'll go mad. Full fly ash. पूरा टाउन में फ्लाई ऐश है. ठीक है, धूल उड़ता है फ्लाई ऐश. And that is why you see that fly ash. I am talking about 1989. I don't know whether you were born that time. ठीक है. And that fly ash now you find it in cement. Fly ash based cement it is being manufactured. Correct? Bricks. Even your cement bricks they make, no? They put some portion of fly ash in that. So coal जो है कितना बोला तुमको मैंने? कोल गैस ये ऑयल भी पकड़ लो. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट 73%. ऑयल का नहीं है क्योंकि ऑयल बहुत कॉस्टली है. आई विल गिव वन सम सिंपल थंब रूल. हमारे पास डीजल जनरेटर सेट है ना, डीजी सेट है इधर. तुम्हारे घर में भी दुकान में तुमने जनरेटर देखा रहेगा. लोग जनरेटर ना 1 लीटर पेट्रोल डालोगे तो वो करीब 5 यूनिट देता है. कितना? तो 1 लीटर पेट्रोल 100 रुपये का है, तो 5 यूनिट में 100 डिवाइडेड 5, सो 20 रुपये यूनिट हुआ. कितना हुआ? तो सस्ता है नहीं, तो वो नॉट वायबल. देयर आर 2 थिंग्स. वन इज फीजिबल, टेक्निकली फीजिबल है, पेट्रोल से हम करंट बना सकते हैं, मगर इकोनॉमिकली वायबल नहीं है क्योंकि करंट जो हम लेते हैं वो 5-6 रुपये यूनिट लेते हैं. 20 रुपये कोई नहीं खरीदेगा उसको. गॉट इट? Solar now we have got almost, I am talking about this 3 lakh, we will make it simple, 388 gigawatt. 388 gigawatt में सोलार का 40 है, विंड का भी 40 है, न्यूक्लियर का सिर्फ 7 है. कितना है? somebody was telling ना न्यूक्लियर वो सिर्फ शो के लिए है, डेमो पीस. कुछ their total generation of nuclear power is only 2% in India. कितना? Got it now? So this constitutes only 2% of the electricity generation. So 2% is hardly negligible, na? Okay. Hydro का भी some 46. I am talking about gigawatt. These are all gigawatts. Gigawatts. Please write down. Coal is around 200 gigawatts. 200 gigawatts. ये देख लो, 400 में 200 बोलो तो more than 50% is coal only. Correct है ना? Out of 388, 200 is now you are understanding what I am trying to convey? Anybody not following me? These all statistics you get. Google, if you want, you want me to Google?